Hey babes, welcome to NBSD. Short for you know what I mean. From nail art flair to scenes so rare, join us on a journey where dreams are in the air. Now let's go. In the symphony of life, where dreams take flight and possibilities are endless, there's a magic that resides within you. A power to shape your world, to think positive, and make your dreams a living reality. Close your eyes for a moment and listen closely. You possess an incredible gift, a gift that allows you to control your own mind, to steer your thoughts towards the light, even when shadows may try to cast doubt. Today, I want to remind you that you are capable of achieving anything you set your heart on. Each dream, each aspiration, they are all within your reach. The key: embrace the power of thinking positive. Let your mind be the canvas where dreams take shape, where doubts dissolve into determination. You hold the brush, and with each stroke of positive thought, you paint a path towards your goals. Know this: deep within your heart, you are unique, a tapestry of experiences and potential. Embrace every challenge as an opportunity and every setback as a stepping stone towards greatness. As you embark on your journey, let the flames of inspiration light your way. Draw strength from those who dared to dream before you, who conquered mountains of doubt to stand atop the peaks of their desires. Remember, you possess a resilient spirit, one that refuses to be held back by fears or limitations. Channel that spirit and let it guide you towards greatness. So, as you step forward, ready to seize each moment, keep the power of thinking positive close to your heart. Let it be the North Star that guides you through challenges and the fuel that propels you towards your dreams. And as you wake each morning, remember this: the gift of thinking positive is yours to cherish. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it weave the fabric of your reality. You have a canvas of possibilities before you, and with each brushstroke of positive thought, you can paint a masterpiece of your dreams. Embrace your magic and let it light the path to a future you've always envisioned. Take a moment to breathe in the magic that surrounds you. In this vast universe of opportunities, you possess a remarkable power: the power to shape your own reality, to carve a path towards your dreams by embracing the art of thinking positive. As you stand at the crossroads of possibility, remember that the journey you embark upon is uniquely yours. It's a journey filled with potential, where the only limits are the ones you set upon yourself. Close your eyes and let your dreams take flight within your mind. Imagine all the aspirations that reside deep within your heart. Now, believe, truly believe, that each of those dreams is within your grasp. It's easy to get caught in the web of doubt and negativity that life can sometimes weave. But let me remind you that you are the master weaver of your thoughts. You have the power to untangle those threads and replace them with strands of positivity. Today, I encourage you to reflect on your own journey. Remember the times when you overcome challenges, when you defied odds, and when you proved to yourself that your potential knows no bounds. Feel the rhythm of motivation coursing through your veins. As you move forward, channel the energy of those who have come before you, who have turned dreams into reality and transformed impossibilities into possibilities. As you continue your journey, remember that you have the power to change your narrative. Every thought is a brushstroke, every action a brush of color on the canvas of your life. Thinking positive infuses vibrancy into each stroke, and as you awaken each morning, welcome the day with a heart full of gratitude and positivity. Embrace the truth that your mindset shapes your reality, and you have the ability to shape it in any way that aligns with your dreams. You are the architect of your own future, a future woven with threads of hope, courage, and belief. Stand strong in the knowledge that your dreams are within reach, and let thinking positive be your guiding star. Hey y'all. So we're gonna do these Gel-X nails. It literally took me, like, I did this right before I was about to go out and party or whatever. Oh, let me show you the video that, hold on, I'm gonna put it right here up in the corner. Anywho, it was so fun. But so yeah, we're gonna get into these nails. If y'all wanna know how to prep, then you're gonna have to go look at one of my old prep videos, because we're not getting into that on this video. But anyway, you want to use the bubblegum gel from Enail Couture. This stuff is like a lifesaver, especially when you're going to put on some press-ons. Like, seriously. I'll try to find the link to Enail to see if I can find it. I also look for the links for everything else in this video and try to leave it down below for you guys. But anyway, you do want to go ahead and sketch the nail up a little bit. These aren't from Enail. I believe I got these nails from Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. So this stuff is lifesaver, seriously. I'm only gonna put one of these nails on. I'm sure that after I put one on, y'all will get the drift of the process. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the nail, and I hadn't did these for a while, so I might have put too much on my right hand. So you just want to put a very small amount on there because it's gonna press out and expand. So once you do that, I just use my little green light. Make sure you have a base coat on your regular nails before you put these on. And you're just going to go ahead sidewall to sidewall and make sure you got it in there really good and press down. Now it'll stay there for a little bit, but you got to get it going and get the UV light on there. See, it's about to start coming off soon. Come on, girl. Yeah, I was being way too slow. Y'all should have put it on there before this amount of time. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna hold you. Period. And then just like that, we gonna put the rest on, and I'm gonna come back with them on like a bloop, 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 bam. There you go. See, my right hand was a little sloppy, but the left one was better because I had gotten the motion of it. So just realize y'all don't gotta put too much of the bubblegum gel on there because it's gonna expand. So then once you got them on, you want to go ahead and shape them up. You want to go ahead and use your e-file as well to go ahead and sand them down before you get ready to go put on your base gel. I'm not even gonna lie, like I didn't know what I wanted to do on top of these nails because it had been so long since I did some press-on, gel press-ons at that. So I really should have used my 5-in-1 carbide bit, and I don't know what I was doing before that. But to let y'all know, just go in with the carbide bit first and get around your cuticles. And yeah, see my carbide bit. So this is the fine carbide bit. I will also leave a link for this down in the description so y'all can get that. It's on Amazon. It's like a lifesaver. I love this carbide bit. It's my favorite. So you just want to get around there in case any of that gel spilled over onto your cuticles and get that all flushed. Yep. So now I'm gonna go ahead and file everything, buff them down and all that, and then I'm gonna come on back and we're gonna put on the base coat. I already done washed them and did all that already. So let's get into the design. And so this color, I'm not even gonna hold you. I have had this color for so long. I had never used it. It is actually glow in the dark. I'll try to put a picture in here somewhere for you guys to see it, but it's so beautiful. It is pretty. I like it. I don't even really like green, but this green, you know, is cute. Seriously. If I can find the link for it, I'll put it in the description, but I doubt I will, but I'll try, like, cross my heart. If I can't find it, then I don't know, you guys, but I'm gonna try. Anywho's, you want to put 2 coats of this on after you put your base coat, and then we're gonna go ahead, before we cure the second coat, okay, cure the first coat, then go in with the second coat, and do not cure it yet. Before you cure it, you want to go ahead and sprinkle your little fairy dust, and I'll leave that in the description as well. So yeah, before you cure that second coat, go ahead and put your fairy dust on there. Make sure you wipe off the side walls before you put it in the UV light. Once that's all said and done, go ahead and put your top coat on and then cure it. I just had to say that. Okay, y'all, that concludes our video for today. If you could, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure your post notifications is on. Until then, see you later.